Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to open this one of a kind book that was given to employees at Apple that I was able to get my hands on. Apparently, it's a motivational, inspirational, super inspirational book about Steve Jobs' life. So, here's the unboxing. Let's see what this book is all about. Okay, nice packaging like typical Apple products. Looks like there's a protective paper over here. Ooh. Make something wonderful. Steve Jobs in his own words. That's a cool Polaroid. Has some texture to it. Alright, so that's a box. Definitely looked custom for this book. This is what the book looks like. Make something wonderful. Steve Jobs in his own words. Steve Jobs Archive. Interesting. Alright. So, since this is a super limited edition print book, only given to Apple employees, I will show you guys what is inside. Oh, looks like there's a good amount of photos. Okay. Alright, intro from his wife, it looks like. Let's see. Oh, I think. Let's check out some of the pictures in here. That's what I'm most interested in. Oh, Apple One back in the 70s. So if you check out this book on eBay right now, it's selling for over 1,000 right now. So this book seems pretty collectible, pretty rare. I wonder who's taking these photos. The pictures are pretty cool though. Looks like pretty good content, so at least 130 pages. So total about 250 pages. I want to skim through some more of the photos, show you all what's in this since this book is so rare and limited. It's After scrolling through the photos, I want to read just the first page and the last page, since I think that's always what I check out first in a book. So, again, this book is called Make Something Wonderful, Steve Jobs in his own words. The first page from Steve Jobs says, "There's lots of ways to be as a person, and some people express their deep appreciation in different ways. But one of the ways that I believe people express their appreciation to the rest of humanity is to make something wonderful and put it out there." Kind of like this YouTube channel, you know? And you never meet the people. You never shake their hands. You never hear their story or tell yours. But somehow, in the act of making something with a great deal of care and love, something's transmitted there. And it's a way of expressing to the rest of our species our deep appreciation. So we need to be true to who we are and remember what's really important to us. Steve in 2007. Man, I'm inspired to make more fire unboxing videos for this YouTube channel as my gift to humanity. One more thing. One more thing. All right, see, first page, super inspirational. Let's check out the last page. Bedtime story reading by me. Here we go. Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it. You can influence it. You can build your own things that other people can use. And the minute you can understand that you can poke life, and if you push in, then something will pop out the other side, that you can change it, you can mold it, that's maybe the most important thing. To shake off this erroneous notion that life is there and you're just going to live in it versus embrace it, change it. And you're just going to live in it versus embrace it, change it, improve it, make your mark upon it. I think that's very important. And however you learn that, once you learn it, you'll want to change life and make it better, because it's kind of messed up in a lot of ways. Once you learn that, you'll never be the same again. Steve in 1994. So pretty much, seems like a story on making beautiful products and his journey at Apple. And yeah, just put stuff out there. This was pretty inspirational. Hopefully I can keep this and read it. But it is selling for a lot on eBay. So person I got it from may sell it, but hopefully I can read it this weekend before it gets put on eBay or something. All right, there you have it. Super limited unboxing. Hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the book in the comment section below. And I heard there's a PDF link to this book, the contents of this book, and I'll drop that link in the description below. All right, everyone, please come back, like and subscribe for more awesome random unboxing videos. And that is my gift to humanity. See you all next time. Later.